আমরাও একটা ট্রাভেল এজেন্সি থেকে এসেছি, দেখলাম যে মেলায় ভালোই সাড়া পাচ্ছে সবাই। তো এখানে মূলত আছে হচ্ছে ট্যুরিজম সেক্টরটা নিয়ে মেলাটা হয়েছে। তো এখানে আমরা বিভিন্ন এয়ারলাইন্স আছে, এয়ারলাইন্সের পাশাপাশি এবার মেলায় নতুনত্ব যেটা দেখলাম যে মেডিকেল ট্যুরিজমটা এবার একটু বেশি, যেমন হচ্ছে মালয়েশিয়ান, চায়না, থাইল্যান্ড এই ট্যুরিজমগুলো বেশি এসেছে। এর পাশাপাশি আমাদের লোকাল কিছু ট্রাভেল কোম্পানি তো আছেই। তো সব কিছু মিলে আসলে মেলাটা ভালোই যাচ্ছে দেখলাম। তো আজকে মেলার শেষ দিন, আশা করি ঠিকঠাকভাবে মেলাটা শেষ হবে।
Travel agency from Nepal. We take around, we host around 7,000-8,000 Bangladeshi people to Nepal every year. This is my first time in Dhaka Travel Mart as an exhibitor. Before I used to participate in other fair also, but this is my first time. Being in the central locations, and we are seeing a very good number of footfall. So many people are interested about Nepal. Rather than typical packages, Kathmandu, Pokhara, Nagarkot, people are more focused in the adventure and in the village and the mountain area. So this time we are offering the trekking packages, base camp trekking packages, Ghandruk tour, Mustang tour, and many adventure activities like paragliding, bungee jumping, and these things. So people are interested because we have the very only 1 hour flight distance away, and the visa is an arrival, and no need to pay visa if they are coming in a first time in a year. I mean, one time in a year, visa also no need. So this is the good advantage that we have in Nepal, and Nepal is full of mountain country, being the flat area in Bangladesh, just 1 hour flight. And weather, if you talk about weather, we have a guest now, they are saying it is very cold. Okay, even in June, July also, when weather is very high temperature here in Nepal, we have a chill weather. So coming here, I would like to welcome all the Bangladeshi people because it is a visa-free country, just 1 hour flight. In the morning you can plan, and in the evening you can go. Or today you plan, tomorrow you can go. Just passport, nothing else. Rest, we take care everything. And we are the B2B agency. We only handle the business to business travel. We work with the travel agency. Like the local travel agencies here, tour operators, they give us the groups, and we handle from Kathmandu airport to airport. So yes, this time it was very, very good, and we are very happy that we came here. And I would like to thank you, the monitor, the organizer of Dhaka Travel Mart, for organizing such a wonderful events.
We are a nurse from Chulalat 11 International Hospital, is from Thailand. Yes, so it's the third time to visit in Bangladesh and join with the exhibition days. Yes, so I so feel is very, very happy and excited. Yes, because many people of Bangladesh come to visit for this program. Yes, we are hospital from Thailand, and my hospital is near Suvarnabhumi Airport. Yes, you can go by car, maybe spend time for 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, Chulalat 11 International Hospital have facility of medical center such as IVF center. Yes, if customer from Bangladesh want to have about baby or try to have baby, yes, they can go to my hospital. Yes, dangerous situation in Bangladesh lah. Oh, no have, because Bangladesh people is very kindness. Yes, so I come to this for third time, but I think it's very, very happy when I come to visit in Bangladesh. Yes. Okay. Okay. So thank you.